The salamander's hidden superpower. A gecko could run across your ceiling, upside down, and never slip. Their feet are covered with millions of microscopic hairs that grip surfaces at the atomic level. That means no glue, no suction, just pure science. Geckos can even regrow their tails if they lose them during a fight. Small, silent, and unstoppable, they're proof that the tiniest creatures often have the biggest tricks. Every step is a masterpiece of nature's engineering. Stay curious and subscribe for your daily dose of the wild.